Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute origami bookmark. Okay, we will need a piece of square paper like this one, and we will need to put this paper in this way, at a diamond way. Okay, now we will need to fold this part, and we will need to fold in half in this way. Okay, now this corner till this part, voila, this corner here. Okay, in this way we will have a sort of square piece of paper. Open this part here, fold in half here, and then we will take this part and here fold inside, voila, the same in this way, voila. Here your bookmark, and we will, in this way we will have this bookmark we will put on the corner of the page of the book. If you want, you can leave it in this way like I did for this two, but if you want, you can create a sort of triangle. In this way we will fold here and then here, and we will put inside this part, and we will have our easy triangle bookmark, voila. So you will have two different configurations as you prefer, and they are so useful and so funny. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.